म्युटेशन आणि पार्टिशनाच्यो केशी सुटाव्यो करपाक मामलेदार पावंड्यार ट्रॅकिंग करपाची सुविधा केल्या. म्युटेशन आणि पार्टिशनाक सरकारान 90 दिसांची डेडलायन दिल्या. कांय रेव्हेन्यू अधिकाऱ्यांची काम करपाची पद्दत दुबावीत आसा म्हूण दक्षिण गोंयच्या आदवोगादांनी कागाळ केल्ली. अधिकाऱ्यांनी कामां करपाक कटकटी केल्यार लोकांनी कळोवचें म्हूण महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयला. अर्डेक्सवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
I know the efforts of Revenue Minister put his department in order to come out with various reforms to deliver the services of the various department or the quasi-judicial authorities. But Speaker sir, here I'm surprised. Few days back, the Advocate Association from South Goa alleged that some corruption is going on, Speaker sir. That's why I'm surprised to see in your right of citizens time-bound delivery public services act is in place. In spite of this acts being in place, in spite of your collector's orders to the subordinates, I'm surprised to see the allegation on your very particular South Goa courts of Margao and Kepe. So, will the minister tell me what would be your line of action to check the allegation and to allay the fears in the public's mind? These are not allegations from the general public, Speaker. So these are allegations from the learned advocates. So त्या पासत बरें काम करता तूं, no doubt, but side by side there should not be any aspersion on your performance or your department. त्या पासत what would be your line of action to clarify these allegations and to streamline further so that public should be confidently go to this Margao and Kepeng courts and get their work done without any doubt of corruption charges?
Speaker sir, प्रश्न जो आमचो बाब फिलीप नेरीन काढला is very important because it is a responsible statement given by the Advocates Association. Speaker sir, opposition आसतना आमी ज्यो तुटी काडिल्ल्यो की म्युटेशन बेगीन जावपा जाय, करप्शन एंगल येता, खुबशे कित्याक डिपार्टमेंट सर्वसामान्य लोकांचे आनी ताज्या खातीर तांकां न्याय मेळपा जाय जाल्यार कितें करपा जाय हे आमी लास्ट 5 वर्सां उलयत आशिल्ले. जेन्ना हो सरकार फॉर्म जालो अंडर श्री मनोहर पर्रीकर, we were very clear, the government was very clear under him that he wanted e-district and modules which needed to take care of transparency, harassment कमी जावचे, करप्शन जावचे न्ही, ताज्या खातीर IT enabled प्लॅटफॉर्म्स करचे जे पळय रेव्हेन्यू डिमांडाक हांव 77 सगळे उलयल्लो आसा. आनी ताज्या खातीर स्पिकर साहेब पयले 100 दिसां भितर गोवा ऑनलायन we started this service for all applications which are there, which are available online, residential, caste certificate, income certificate, divergence certificate, so good certificates are available online to the e-district module which is available on Goa Online. Speaker sir, tatun mutationache reforms hadpak within 90 days, within 45 days without objection, and if with objection zalo 90 days, haja khatir mutation reforms hadle, amendment to Rule 10 of the Act was done. Similarly, Speaker sir, आमी म्युटेशन सुद्दां सब रजिस्ट्रार करतले आनी थंयच्यान मनशाक मामलेदार ऑफिसान वचचें पडचें ना हें सुद्दां हाजी काळजी घेतली बाय दीस पर्टिक्युलर अमेंडमेंट ऑफ 15A. हें सगळें करता आसतना पार्टिशनाक अमेंडमेंट घेतलें वीच वॉज फ्रॉम द होल सगळ्यांक नोटीस धाडच्या पेक्षा फक्त त्याच एडजॉयनिंग बाउंड्रीजांक नोटीस धाडच्यो म्हणून पार्टिशनाचो अमेंडमेंट केलो. आतां हें सगळें कित्याक केलें कित्याक जो मनीस वतालो परत परत तो रिस्पॉन्सिबल ऑफिसर एकदा इरिस्पॉन्सिबल वागतालो, डेटीचे डेटी दितालो, तारीख पे तारीख म्हणून उलोवप जातालें आनी ताज्या खातीर न्याय ताका केन्नाच मेळनाशिल्लो. वेदर इट इज म्युटेशन, पार्टिशन or whatever cases which come, whether it is any certificate, Speaker sir, today we are going by right to time bound service act and we are going by simplification of procedures. आतां आमकां जाय सपोर्ट जाल्यार कॉमन सिटीजनाचो, आमकां सपोर्ट जाय जाल्यार त्या एडवोकेटांचो, कित्याक ताळी एक हातान वाजना. समज करप्शन एंगलाचे हॅरेसमेंट आसा जाल्यार स्पीकर सर द फेलो हू इज गिविंग द ब्राइब or giving also is equally corrupt to the one who is taking it. And if we need to change the system has to change from both sides. Government सुरवात केल्ली आसा.